Hi, Mansa ma'am. Welcome to Enrichwise.
Thank you so much.
And it is your second time in this new office,
Yeah,
I think. Yeah.
my second time.
How has your journey been with Enrichwise? Since when have you been associated? Can you just let us know something about that?
So I've been coming to Enrichwise since 2019. One of my friend referred Kapil.
Okay.
And that's how I got introduced to him. And ever since I started my investment journey with Enrichwise, it has just been amazing. My investments were stagnant because I was with another investor.
Okay.
I was getting frustrated because I was not seeing my money grow. But after I came here, in a very short while, I could see my funds getting compounded, and I was very satisfied. And my dad, he was a very conservative investor. I convinced him to move here, and he did move. Right?
That is
So our portfolios grew really well. So we have no complaints. Amazing team, and all of you are so friendly and so helpful.
it is lovely to hear such comments coming directly from the clients. And Mansa ma'am is based out of Canada, correct?
Yes.
So, being an NRI, how has Enrichwise helped support in that area and helping in NRI services?
So initially, I was a bit skeptical how it's going to work because of the time difference. But trust me, the support I still get and I continue to get is something which you will not see in other places. Because you guys are there 24/7. If I drop in a message, you respond. If I call, you pick up calls. So, in fact, what I actually miss is you guys are not there in Canada because I want help with, investments there too.
Correct.
But I do, consult you guys over the phone. So that's how I'm managing. But seamless support, I would say. Yeah, and I would really recommend, you guys should open an NRI branches too.
I think we'll have to plan that soon.
Yeah.
So, the experience with the team you've already shared with us,
Yeah.
it has been a good experience for you. Especially Kapil sir, how has your experience been dealing with him personally?
So, Kapil comes across as so approachable and so friendly. He never has any pretensions. He will tell you upfront what's going to happen, that how you play the market. And from day one, he has always been telling us to look at the long term, not look at the short term. Don't look at the next 1 year, 2 years, but stay invested, right? What he has actually brought in us is a discipline to invest, whatever is the amount, right? So I think that inculcation of, the discipline and the investment funders has been just amazing.
Lovely. Okay, so last one thing. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend Enrichwise to one of your friends or family?
10 being the highest,
10 being the highest.
it will be a 10. In fact, I always tell my, my social circle in Canada that the investment advisor we had back in India was like so good, and that's what I actually miss. That personal touch is not there. Okay. And also, right, when I started coming to Enrichwise, your office was like a tiny office, nice, cozy one. But now the way you guys have expanded, I mean, it's just, mind-blowing, to be honest. I came here last year for the first time, and when I took a tour, it felt very good because, I'm happy to see you guys grow.
So, thank you so much for the kind and lovely words.